Sa isang online relationship, how would you build the trust towards each other? I guess building trust is not easy as it is, especially in a long distance relationship or online relationship. But if your partner is not giving you the feeling of doubt, the worries, the fear, I guess somehow it's a build up of having the trust. Kasi mafe-feel mo yun as a woman. We have this instinct na kapag yung partner natin, they're making us doubt or, alam mo yung aligaga ka, you have to listen to your instinct din ha. Kasi yung mga instinct na yun, nagsasabi sa atin sometimes to say na, hey girl, you have to take a pause and isipin kung tama pa ba na ituloy mo yung relationship mo. So, yun is one way of building the trust. If he's not making you to doubt and to have that fear sa puso mo.